My name is Welking. On this recording, I'm gonna be changing the engine air filter on a 2015 Honda Civic SE. If you're gonna be working on a 2012 to 2015 Honda Civic, the procedure probably won't be the same for all the different models. If you're working on a 1.8 liter engine, then the procedure should be the same. This is the location of the air filter. There's a clip here. Move it back. Another clip here. And then there's a third clip back here. I'm gonna move the cover up and then take the filter out. This is the top of the filter. The bottom is dirty. Here's the new filter I'm gonna put in. To put the new filter in, I'm gonna just move the cover up. Now I'm gonna put the clip back on.